This video is a full walkthrough guide for the Business Group Admin Portal, also known as CommPortal Admin. To access the CommPortal, go to www.uit.co and hover over Resources. From here, you can click on CommPortal Admin, which will lead you to the login page. To log in, enter your business number that has been set up through Utility Telecom and your personal password. If you don't remember your information, you can always give our customer care team a call at 877-965-7800. Once logged in, you will be taken to a home page where you can see sections for groups, all lines, and services on both the main page and the tab on the left-hand side. A hunt group is a set of lines within the business that can be separated by each department as seen in this example. By setting up a hunt group, members of the same department can be grouped together, which is helpful for answering calls when one line is busy or to queue calls if all members are busy. When you click on a group, you'll be able to see the hunt group highlights, hunt group members, and settings at the top. The hunt group members section allows for adding or removing lines and changing positions in the call queue. The settings section allows the options to change call distribution, queue length, and more. Next is the users section. This section allows you to view your corporate directory. You'll be able to view phone numbers, extensions, names, and see which department they belong to. Here you can also move users from one department to another. To change an individual settings, select the user. The blue circle on the right-hand side of their name will allow admins to view individual settings, edit personal details, reset lines, or unlock accounts. Each individual account can be modified to change phone statuses and to set up call forwarding. The attendant section will feature your various auto attendant accounts. Clicking on an auto attendant will open up the new window that features the line status. Here, admins can view schedules of those in the call queue, set up menus based on schedules, record announcements, view available extensions, and set key configurations on the advanced settings. The Group Access section is for organizations with multiple locations. It's used when an organization wants to add another line for specific departments. The Phone section allows administrators to see every phone in the company and by each department. Change Phone opens up settings to change the description and line number. The Department section allows administrators to divide your business into separate groups. To edit or delete a department, click the department in the tree view below. Shortcodes allows users to add numbers on speed dial. Numbers can be added and deleted manually, or can be imported with up to 1,000 shortcodes per import using a CSV file. Account codes are available on all lines when account codes are validated. Extensions allows users to quickly dial numbers within the business group. Here you can add or delete ranges. Call Reports allows admins to download reports as CSV files to and from lines within your domain. Here you can select the date range for the data and select the report. Music on hold will open up a new tab to the settings. On the Mappings tab, you can edit or delete the initial response. The Resources tab will show you the various audio that you have available. Audio selected for your music on hold cannot be heard via the CommPortal. To test your audio, call the number that you are adding or editing. Miscellaneous settings shows number blocks that haven't been assigned to a user yet. More numbers can be reserved or allocated by contacting Utility Telecom. External calls shows the limitations of external, incoming, and outgoing calls. Call notifications allows select contacts to be notified when emergency calls are dialed within their department. New users can be added or disabled here. Other settings include restricted subscriber messaging, internal operator numbers, and internal extensions, which can be updated by selecting these boxes and clicking on the Apply button. The Help button will open a second window with each section broken down. This way, users can easily get answers about the CommPortal Admin. Lastly, the Send Feedback option allows users to capture an image of their screen to add feedback to send to the CommPortal support team. Since CommPortal is a web portal, all of these configuration options are applicable across all platforms such as desktop, tablet, or mobile phone. If you have any questions that couldn't be answered through this video or through the Help section of the Support tab, we are here to help. You can go to our customer care page for a quick start guide or contact us at 877-965-7800.